students, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Welcome to a new English lesson.
Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Stretch up, stretch down, spin your head, turn around, move your shoulders, up and down, stretch your arms, and turn around. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Yeah, let's play.
Let's listen to our school vision.
The school vision, to prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
Our lesson today is Module 4, What Happened? Our World Part 2. You will find this lesson in your student book page 47 and workbook page 83. Our objectives for today are students will be able to recognize the usage of the past obligation had to and didn't have to. Ask and answer about what was everyone doing. It's a grammar time. What did you have to do yesterday? I had to do my homework. Look at Ali. He has broken leg. Did Ali have to go to hospital yesterday? Ali had to go hospital yesterday. Now, my dear students, open your student book page 47. Let's read our lockbox. I had to sleep in a tent. I didn't have to go to school today. Did you have to fish for food? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Present or past? Of course, past. Very good. Here we have how to use had to make a sentence. Pronoun he, she, they plus had to plus verb in the affirmative. Pronoun like he or we plus didn't have to plus verb like cook or leave in the negative form. She had to sleep. They had to travel. He didn't have to cook. We didn't have to leave in the negative form. Examples. I had to wake up early today. I didn't have to make breakfast. I had to do my homework yesterday. Look at had to. We use had to or didn't have to express obligation or lack of obligation in the past. I had to do my homework yesterday. I had to draw a map last week. I didn't have to do my homework yesterday. Here we have lack of obligation, so we use didn't have to, the negative form. I didn't have to do my homework yesterday. I had to draw a map last week. I didn't have to draw a map last week. Look here, we use I, he, she, they, you, we, plus had to go plus the verb to school. In the negative form, we use I, he, she, they, you, we, didn't, plus have to. Pay attention to have to. Didn't have to. The negative form of had to is didn't have to. Go to school. It's a Friday. Let's know about how to form a question. First, we have to start with did plus the pronoun plus have to plus the verb. Like here in the example, did you have to study? Did he have to travel? Now, my dear students, let's go to our workbook, page 38, activity 2. Look and write. First, look at the pictures, then write. We have two pictures here. Number one, which is X, that means no need or it's not important to do it. The other picture that is or which is tagged, that means we had or it's important to do it. Jake didn't have to water plants yesterday afternoon. He had to clean the car. It's so easy, my dear student. Here you have to pause the video and read and answer. Let's check our answers again. Tom and Lucy, here Tom and Lucy didn't have to study. Look, X, we have X here, that means didn't have to. They had to feed the fish. Beth didn't have to go to work. She had to clean the house. Let's move to our work student book again. Speaking time. I had to wake up very early today. I didn't have to make breakfast. My mother made it. Let's practice. Look at Andrew's list. Write sentences about what he had to or didn't have to do yesterday. Here we have a list about what we had to do and what he didn't have to do. Number one, get up early. We have take care. That means he had to do. I had to get up early. Walk, school. I had to walk to school. I had to do my homework. I didn't have to tidy my room. Also, we can say he had to get up early. He had to walk to school. He had to do his homework. He didn't have to tidy his room. This is the end of our lesson today, my dear students. Thank you so much. I hope you are enjoying the video.